Hi everyone, in this lesson we're going to be learning the song Can't Stop the Feeling by Justin Timberlake. It's a great song to learn if you want to get used to your C, A minor and F chords, and especially how to change between those chords. So we're going to start off with a breakdown of the chord shapes. This will be quite brief, so if you do want a bit more information about each of these chords, check out our other videos which are in the comments section below, so check those out. So we're going to start off with a C major chord. Okay, so C major is the 3rd fret, string nearest the floor. Okay, so that's the A string. We're going to strum all of our strings together. Okay, our next chord in the sequence is A minor. So we're going to bring this middle finger up to the top, so the G string fret 2, and we're going to strum all 4 strings again. Now this is a nifty little trick for changing between A minor and F. So what we're going to do is leave the middle finger still, but put the first finger on the E string fret 1. That gives you your F major chord. To finish off the sequence, we need to go back to A minor, so we're going to go back to that middle finger on its own by lifting the first finger off. So that gives you your chord sequence, which is used in the verse and chorus sections of this song. So I'll play those together so you can hear how it sounds. 4 beats each. So C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3. Round again. C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4. So once you've got the hang of that, that gives you the bulk of the song. The only other section that we need to get used to is the bridge. So there's some quite complex chords here. So for now, what we're going to do is just get used to tapping along with the beat. This gives you a nice break from your strumming as well with your left hand. So we're going to just tap through the gaps now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just going to keep that going through the bridge section. When the bridge section finishes, we go back to the chorus. So we're back to that same chord progression. C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, F, A minor. So, really hope you have fun with this song. Let us know how you get on, and we'll see you next time.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance.
We really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about the ukulele, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also take the next step on your ukulele quest with our fun method book. The Ukulele Quest is available worldwide, and you can find a link to this in the description below.